Hi, my name is Valerie and today we're making gourmet mac and cheese.
My name is Michael and I'm from upstate New York. This is my wife, Valerie. She's from Kenya. When I was 30 years old, my mother gave me an incredible gift. This homemade cookbook, which took her years to produce, contains over 400 family recipes. One morning, after Mom passed away, we decided to honor her by preparing every recipe in that book. To make it interesting, we thought Valerie should be the chef. Can a Kenyan transplant conquer her mother-in-law's opus? Let's find out. This is Valerie Cooks the Book.
So here's the list of ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 uncooked ziti pasta, 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 cup of shredded Jarlsberg cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 3 slices of provolone cheese.
It's ziti.
Oh, it's on ziti?
It's ziti.
Okay.
Ziti and Jarlsberg. Jarls. The J is pronounced as if it's a Y.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, there we go.
That's okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is the list of ingredients you'll need to make this recipe. 1, you need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 packet of uncooked ziti, 1 cup of cottage cheese, 1 cup of shredded Jarlsberg cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and 3 slices of provolone cheese. If you're a cheesy family such as Michael and I, you could go heavy on the Jarlsberg and the mozzarella cheese, and we intend to do so. So feel free to, adjust the cheese to your liking.
We're a very cheesy family.
Yes, we are a cheesy family.
if you can't tell already. I think you can adjust the garlic to your liking as well, right?
Oh, yes. It does say 1 clove of garlic or maybe 10. So if you love garlic, also we love garlic.
Yeah, if you love garlic and you hate vampires, feel free to load up. Feel free to load up on the cloves for that garlic. Yeah.
But we love some vampires like Edward Cullen. I love Edward Cullen.
Yeah, everyone loves a sexy vampire.
Yes, we do.
Time for a recap. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot.
So we're gonna go ahead and mince the garlic. It calls for 1 clove, but we're gonna use 3. I'm doing finely chopped because I don't have a mincer. Then I'll try to mince it, to just crush it with a knife. I just love the smell of garlic. I think that's good enough. Okay, so the pasta is ready and I'm gonna go ahead and just drain it. Okay. Okay, so the recipe says we should, in a small skillet, we should heat olive oil and garlic very slowly and do not let it brown or it will be better. I'm gonna be using the larger pot that I used to boil the pasta just because it prevents the splatter and also it's less cleanup. So I'm not gonna be using a skillet. So I've added the olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add the minced garlic. So we're not supposed to brown it, but we want it cooked a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and put the ziti package here before the garlic browns too much. And mix it in really quickly. Oh, that smells so good. Like nothing smells better than olive oil and garlic, you know. So I have all my ingredients here. What I'm gonna do first is put the pasta in the baking dish. So next step would be to combine all the cheeses. Actually just combine the cottage cheese, Jarlsberg cheese and mozzarella and then toss it. So we're gonna start with the cottage cheese. Oh, I haven't had cottage cheese in a while. Then this is the mozzarella and the provolone.
Jarlsberg.
And the Jarlsberg, sorry. This is the Jarlsberg cheese. I'm just gonna gently toss it. That is some cheesy goodness there. And I hope it tastes as good as I remember. Cooking this book actually makes us more adventurous with our recipes, otherwise we end up eating the same old taco salad and meatballs. So we have the 3 cheeses mix, and the next one, the last part is topping it with the provolone cheese slices. So I wonder if we should get more to cover it. We selected 3 slices, but I think we should get 6.
I agree. Yeah, I think we're supposed to, you know, kind of coat the top of the entire dish with provolone. So yeah, 6 slices would do it.
Okay. So I'm back with the cheese. So 1.
Yeah, we've never made this before on our own. We've eaten it many times. I've eaten it many times.
I've eaten it once.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. So I think that looks really good. Okay, so the oven has been preheated at 375 degrees. We're gonna bake this for 20 minutes to half an hour. I'll set the timer for half an hour, but I'll come check it at around 25 minutes just to see if it's ready. And we'll be back with the final result. Okay, so this is ready. It's been baking for half an hour. We're gonna, okay, yum. Look at that beauty. We're gonna give it some time to cool, and then we'll dig in and see whether I nailed this recipe. So here we go. Our gourmet mac and cheese is ready, and we're ready to taste it. Absolutely amazing. Can you try it?
Yeah. So yes, Valary's had it before, but we've never made it. So, you know, let's see if Valary did a good job.
I did a good job.
Oh yeah.
It's so good.
It's delicious.
Yeah, absolutely. So that is all, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you happen to try the recipe, let me know what you think about it. See you next time.